Today's the day. We're down here at Empire Mechanical and Racing. The boys have already got our V Commodore Project Ute on the dyno, and hopefully we're going to be making some numbers.
Yeah. Well, I can rev it harder and still make more power.
What are you spinning to? 65?
Nah, at the moment now 62. I'll put the limiter up a little bit.
Is that what the limit is at now? 62?
Yeah, 62.
68. It's got double row chain and shit in it.
Yeah, we can rev it a bit.
Score.
All the game, bro. Massive, eh?
Really top end game.
That's what I mean.
Just rolled over like a demon.
Yeah, mid-range. Already picking up massive mid-range.
Yeah.
Probably about 60 kilo on the mid-range.
Well, mate, we've had a pretty good result today. 360 kilowatts is a pretty stout Aspo 6-litre LS, in my opinion.
I think so, man.
Yeah, pretty happy with that. 280 kilowatts is what we started with at the start of the project. Now, keeping in mind that that's actually a lot more than a standard Commodore would make. We kind of got this car and it already had full exhaust, an intake and a tune.
Yeah, that's right.
So what do you reckon a standard one's going to make it that was kind of 240 kilowatts?
240, 230 kilowatts.
Yeah,
standard.
so going from, even from 280 to 360, like that's a solid 80 kilowatts of the
Massive
wheels
jump,
difference. And obviously keeping in mind both of those power runs were done on the same dyno in very similar conditions.
Same conditions, yeah.
Yeah, pretty stoked with that. Yeah, this little LS is going to be a good bit of fun, I think.
It's going to be a handful, It's going to be fun.
Yeah, it's...
like you said, a massive jump in torque as well.
Yeah, I'm pretty keen to get this thing actually to the track. We're going to go and have a run and back-to-back some mile an hours and stuff. So
it'll be good, man.
Be cool to see it.
Well done.
Thanks as always, mate.
Anytime,
really
man.
appreciate your time today and being down here at Empire.
Anytime, man. Always welcome.
Anyone that's not familiar with Empire, I know everyone that watches the channel, these guys do a lot of Barra stuff primarily, but also dabble in LSs. These guys have built all of my Barra engines for a long time, and they've currently got the fastest and quickest Barra in the country in a full body Falcon.
Yeah.
I believe there's only one car faster than it, and I guess that's in the sight sooner or later.
Yeah.
So we'll see how ambitious Aussie gets.
In the future, yeah, that's it.
So,
yeah. We'll
awesome.
see how it goes.
We'll wrap it up. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Anytime, man.
That's a cooling system, eh? We did actually put water in this car purely because it didn't have coolant on the day. So the plan was always to flush it, but it looks like the radiator is actually leaking in this. So it's going to get a coolant flusher and a new radiator. So we'll jump on eBay and see if we can get, I think we might actually put an upgraded radiator in it. We still don't know what all these sneaky challenges are going to be. So now we're just going to jump back on eBay and see what we can come up with. I think at this point, I'm just going to dive in and go for a PWR aluminium unit.
Housekeeping. Good day, sir. There you go, mate.
Awesome, thanks, man.
Get you out of trouble.
Actually,
yeah.
While you're here, can you give me a hand?
Yeah.
Just jump in the car for a sec. I just need to check something under the car.
Oh, yeah? Easy.
Jump on
bleeding
in.
brakes or clutch or something?
Sure, why not?
Yeah, all right. Those are famous last words.
Jump in, man.
Oh.
Get comfy.
What are you checking?
Just give us a sec.
Okay.
I can't hear you over the hoist.
There's 240 volt. Hey, Benny.
Hang on, I'm just on the phone.
Not cool, man. Should have known. Nothing but stitch-ups here.
The radiator's back in, we've completely bled the cooling system, we've put the correct Dexcool coolant in it. So now the last thing to do is pack up, go to the track and test this sucker. We've had a few good runs tonight, still running in the 13.5 kind of bracket, which basically means I suck, but the car's picked up mile an hour, so I'm pretty happy to see that the dyno's backing up the mile an hour. So we picked up 4 or 5 mile an hour from memory, and that kind of equates to the power increase that we've gotten, so pretty happy with that. That basically finishes the testing portion of this series actually, so I want to say a massive thank you first and foremost to Sparesbox, also to eBay. We wouldn't have been able to produce this series without those guys. Massive thanks to Motive Video as well. We've had a lot of banter in the background on and off camera with Andrew while he's been building his Falcon. Don't forget to next week to go and check out the finale of his Falcon build. And then a few weeks after that, we're going to be doing a bit of an all-in battle. So it'd be pretty exciting to actually run these cars head to head in a series of challenges. We still don't know what the challenges are. Sam at Sparesbox is putting those together for us at the moment. So pretty excited to see what he comes up with. Again, thanks you guys for supporting the series. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.